Hello and welcome back. Today we're going to have a quick look at the billing dashboard. In fact, we're going to look at two dashboards. We're going to look at the billing dashboard and the free tier usage dashboard. So in terms of billing dashboard, it's a centralized location to get a consolidated view of all service costs and usage across all of your AWS services in your account. It provides a cost by service view, which helps identify the most expensive services in the current billing period. So that's very powerful and allows you to quickly jump to what is costing you the most and analyze if indeed you want to be paying that amount of money for what you're paying. It includes a spend summary that showcases how the current month's costs compare to previous months. Again, very useful as well to track how things are changing. It enables identification of highest cost services or regions. So if you click that drop down over here where it says highest service spend, you can change it to region, and that will be very useful as well if you're using multiple regions. Allows users to view spending trends over past few months. So that's what the billing dashboard is for. It gives you like a quick overview of what the spend is right now and what it has been in the past few months. In terms of free tier dashboard, it can be accessed from your billing dashboard. There's going to be a link on the left. It allows users to track usage of AWS services that are eligible for the free tier. So as you can see here, how much you've used up of your free tier. And also there's a forecast of how much usage you are expected to use by the end of the month. And also, there you go, shows you that percentage actual for now and the percentage what it will likely be by the end of the month. So you can take action to make sure you don't go over that free tier spend. So here we go. That's the billing dashboard. Enjoy the practical tutorial. I look forward to seeing you back here next time. Until then, enjoy the cloud.